What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to the channel. So you guys already know it's a Sunday, right? And the markets will be open any like hour from now, right? Because it's kind of like currently 9, so by 10 p.m. Ghana time, of course. For some countries, they're kind of like already experiencing some markets opening, right? And I just want to kind of like the reason for this video is what for the pre-market analysis or the weekly market analysis, right? That I'm going to bring it to you guys to show you what I'm anticipating for the coming days, and in full, like for this week, what I'm anticipating for this week, right? Let's get into the video. I don't want to waste you guys your time. And yes, please guys, a quick one: if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. We are currently at sitting at 14 subscribers. Subscribe to the channel so we can help the channel grow, right? Guys, let's get into the video so I can share what I'm seeing with you guys, right? Let's get into the video. All right, guys. Let's get it. Right, this is my work screen for Gbpjpy, and as you guys already know, if you've been following my videos, right, on Friday, right, I told you guys that I'm expecting something, for this week, something sweet with Gbpjpy, right? With Gbpjpy, I'm expecting, like kind of moves to the down, like I'm expecting sales, right? And guys, the market is not yet opening with what Gbpjpy. For some other people, it is, some few minutes because it's already 10 p.m. The markets are going to be opening. And what guys I'm expecting with Gbpjpy from what this M pattern or double top that was formed here on this area of interest and on our psychological level, right? I'm expecting the markets to break this previous higher low, right? So when it breaks it, well, which is what a change of character, you get a lower low, you get a lower high, back to this zone, and you're able to what sell to the downside, right? And get the market, forming its structures, which is a lower high, lower low, right? And we get the market fully back on its feet. So this is what I'm anticipating for Gbpjpy for this week. And you can see that on the 4 hours, guys, market has been ranging, right? Market has been ranging, and you can see that I show you guys what on the 4 hour we got this rejection, this week rejection, these 2 week rejections, which was 1 2 rejecting the area of interest, right? And on the 1 hour it turned out to be what a double top, right? A double top, right? Which kind of like enforced my bias, which was sales on Gbpjpy for this week. Things could go sideways, but either ways we are still prepared, and we are kind of like ready for anything, because any way the market behaves, we still will have the chance to analyze and will kind of think of a potential trade. Right, so this is what I'm anticipating with JPY. And with the JPY, guys, with UJ, you could see with UJ the market just open, and as I've been telling you guys, UJ is kind of like in a ranging phase at the moment, right? If you look on the 4 hours, UJ is ranging, as I always say, between this higher low and higher high, which is from this region. You could see UJ is just ranging. So right now what I'm anticipating or expecting is either price war, price breaks, price break this higher high and gives us a new higher high, and we get to pull back to this area of interest, and we're able to sell to the top, right? Let me do this on the 1 hour so you guys could understand what I'm saying clearly, right? So here we have it on 1 hour. Sorry for that, right? So I'm anticipating a break of this higher high. As I was saying, you can see it has been raging for long, right? And a pullback to this area of interest, and able to buy to the top. Sorry, buy to the top. Right, that's what with UG I'm expecting, and buying to the top, we could get our structure back. And if things go sideways, right, I'll be expecting price to break this higher low so that we can get a change of character, right? We can get a change of character, which is a break of this higher low, right? So we get what a pullback to this area of interest. And guys, the area of interest is very important. Our cycle level is also present there. We already have the market trend to be downwards, and we sell to the downside, right? We sell to the downside. It's just as easy as this, guys, with UG, right? And guys, you know, as I've been seeing, I've been, kind of like talking, saying these are the best that trade and stuff. I think there's a potential newcomer, but I'm going to be announcing that newcomer very soon, not now, because I don't think I have a kind of like breaking it down like and blend fully with it here. So guys, with these two percent trades, right, here's what I'm anticipating for the coming weeks. Sorry, the coming days. Right. There you guys had it, right? This is what I'm anticipating for what these two pairs are trade, right? These two pairs are trade. This is what I'm anticipating. As you guys can see, with the two pairs, I'm anticipating what a change of character and a break of structure, right? So yes, guys, either ways, we still have what an opportunity to analyze, because whatever happens in the market, we still have to analyze, right? So that's what we're kind of like patiently doing. We've done, we are waiting for our price to kind of like react, if we successfully get price to our specific zones, then inshallah, we'll be taking our trades, our potential trades setups, right? So yes, guys, and as you guys already know, I've been telling you guys that I have an announcement for you guys, and guys, sorry it has delayed a little bit, because of some one or two, but in the coming days within this week, guys, I'm gonna be officially telling you guys what the announcement is about. And you're already in a new year, so I'm kind of like kickstart things, at fresh, right? So yes, guys, and yeah, if you've been able to stick with me to this point of the video, I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel. We're currently sitting at 40 subscribers, so I'll be able to grow the channel, right? And if you found this content or anything helpful, please like the video so that this video could be recommended to other people. And if you have anything you want to share or want to say, put it in the comment section, right? And yes, please share this video as much as possible to other people so that they can more be able to reach this knowledge or benefit something from it, right? As you guys already know, it's been love since day one. I love you guys. Peace out.